In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a deleted folder in Google Drive. Maybe you deleted a folder by accident, or you suddenly realized you still need something that you cleaned up earlier. The good news is that Google Drive has a built-in safety net, and in most cases, you can bring that folder back in just a few clicks. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to go, what to look for, and what to do, so you can recover your files with confidence. First, open your web browser and go to Google Drive. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, especially if you use more than one. If you do, double-check the profile picture or initial in the top right corner to be sure you're in the account where the folder was originally stored. Once you're in Google Drive, look at the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu with different sections like My Drive and Shared with Me. In that list, click on Trash. On some accounts, this might be labeled Bin, but it's the same place. This area works like a recycle bin. It stores items you've deleted for a limited time before they're removed permanently. After you open Trash, you'll see a list of all the files and folders that have been deleted but not yet permanently erased. Take a moment to scroll through this list. You can use the search bar at the top and type the name of the folder if you remember it, which can save time if you have a lot of deleted items. Once you find the folder you want to recover, hover your mouse over it and right-click. A small menu will appear with several options. From that menu, choose Restore. When you click Restore, Google Drive will move that folder out of the trash and place it back in its original location in My Drive. If you're not sure where the original location was, don't worry. After restoring, you can use the search bar at the top of Google Drive and type the folder name to quickly locate it. You can also check the Recent Activity section to see what was just restored. Keep in mind that items only stay in trash for a certain period, usually 30 days, before they're automatically and permanently deleted. If you don't see your folder in trash, it may be past that window, or it might have been permanently removed by someone with access. That's all you need to do. By using the Trash section and the Restore option, you can easily recover a deleted folder in Google Drive and get back to work without losing your important files.